Jorge Carlos de Almeida Fonseca OICVV is a Cape Verdean politician, lawyer and university professor who has been president of Cape Verde since 2011. He served as Minister of Foreign Affairs from 1991 to 1993. Supported by the Movement for Democracy, he won the 2011 presidential election in a second round of voting. Presidential elections were held in Cape Verde on the 2nd of October 2016, where he was re-elected with 74.08% of the vote. Jorge Fonseca completed primary and secondary education between Praia and Mindelo, and later, his higher education in Lisbon, Portugal. He graduated in law and a master in legal sciences Faculty of Law, University of Lisbon. He married Ligia Arcangela Lubrino Dias Fonseca, the First Lady of Cape Verde, on March 26, 1989. He was Director General of Immigration in Cape Verde from 1975 to 1977 and Secretary General of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Cape Verde from 1977 to 1979. He was a graduate teaching assistant at the Faculty of Law, University of Lisbon between 1982 and 1990, invited professor of criminal law at the Institute of Forensic Medicine of Lisbon in 1987 and a resident director and invited associate professor at the law course and public administration at the University of Asia Oriental, Macau in 1989 and 1990. In 1991 and 1993, he was Minister of Foreign Affairs in the first government of the Second Republic. Subsequently, he stood unsuccessfully as a presidential candidate in the 2001 election. In August 2011, he again sought the presidency, this time backed by the MPD. He placed first in the first round, receiving 38% of the votes. In the second round, he faced the candidate backed by the African Party for the Independence of Cape Verde, Manuel Inocencio Souza, and prevailed. He took office as president on the 9th of September 2011, becoming Cape Verde's fourth president since independence in 1975. Fonseca was assistant professor and chairman of the board of the Institute for Law and Social Sciences in Cape Verde. He is also founder and chairman of the board of directors of the Direito e Justica Foundation, founder and director of the magazine Direito e Cidadania, collaborator to the magazine Revista Portuguesa de Ciência Criminal, and a member of the editorial board of Revista da Economia e Direito of the Universidade Autónoma de Lisboa. Fonseca has written several books and published over 50 scientific and technical works on law, and also 2 books of poetry. He has been awarded several times by the state of Cape Verde. Is also holder of the status of freedom fighters of the country.